Babson College was founded in 1919. We're a business school. We've got 1,700 undergraduate students. We've got about 400 full-time graduate students, another 1,800 part-time graduate students. Babson is known most for entrepreneurship. In fact, we're rated #1 in the country for entrepreneurship.
In the undergraduate program, we initiated a laptop program for all the undergraduate students where they receive a laptop in their freshman year and receive a replacement laptop going into their junior year. This enables us to make sure that the equipment is up-to-date, standardized with software and hardware. It makes it easier for us to be able to support and be able to provide better and quicker support for our student community.
Back in 2000, when the laptop program at Babson College was formally established, in researching the various laptop vendors that were out there, we had decided that Lenovo had the most reliable and, as far as the hardware was concerned, the best laptop that was out there. In addition to that, they have what they call the ThinkVantage technologies. These are all features that are provided through Lenovo at no charge to the user, so it's been a great benefit to us.
No problem. So you're having a problem connecting to the internet on the Babson wireless network?
Yes.
It's not a problem. For that problem, you just want to click on this blue ThinkVantage button right here. And from there,
Many of the problems that students have are software-based, being able to understand how to configure their machines, back up their data, get their data back, and TVTs have tools to address the needs of the students.
this blue ThinkVantage button, you can find a lot of the solutions for any of your problems that you might have.
As you can imagine, college students aren't always the most careful or cautious with their laptops as possible. Active Protection System has allowed us to reduce the risk that students experience with failed hard drives. Currently, we're seeing a 43% reduction in failed hard drives from our previous models of laptops, which in savings of students' data is priceless to the student. Also, as far as manpower, this means fewer laptops that we have to repair, touch, try to recover data, and physically work on. Using TVTs has reduced our workload dealing with the day-to-day operations of the software on the machines. Currently, we use Access Connections as a tool to manage the different network profiles that we see on our machines. We see savings as in manpower for pushing out these profiles to individual machines. Recently, we did a wireless migration and changing our SSIDs on different networks. To do this, typically we would have to individually touch every machine, reconfigure the wireless profile. Now, using Access Connections, we're able to push a profile out to the entire campus in a matter of an hour. We use Systems Migration Assistant when we do junior rollouts to the students where they are getting a new machine but need to back up their data prior to handing in their old machine. So we issue this tool where they click a button, it backs up all of their data, and then when they get their new machine, they click another button, it pulls down all the data back to their new machine. So it's easy, seamless for them, and requires very minimal involvement from both IT staff and the students. During the rollout period, we're typically busier helping the incoming freshmen with their orientation needs, getting them familiar with their laptop, and just general support. At the same time, we're doing the junior replacement laptops. So our time is very limited to be able to help both groups, but by using SMA, we're able to focus on the undergraduate students, the incoming freshmen, and able to get them up and running on their machine while the juniors are handling their own migration of data, and we don't have to spend that extra time. The savings we realize by using SMA is in excess of 500 man-hours per orientation cycle on backing up and restoring data for the students.
We started with one tool that was System Migration Assistant. Over the years, we've really found that they would be a great benefit to Babson. We started implementing them maybe a couple every year because we found that there was a great use of the technologies, and it's really helped out in the administration of all the laptops and has made life so much easier. I was very surprised to find out that the TVT technologies were actually available to us for free. Coming from a previous company, we weren't using Lenovo, and I had to find tools that would help me in my everyday administration tasks to maybe back up your system or connect it to a wireless network. And when I came to Babson and using these technologies, it made things so much easier.
Over the course of the years, as we're working with our relationship with Lenovo, we've come to understand just how valuable Lenovo has been to us. The hardware itself has been extremely reliable. At the same time, the ThinkVantage technologies that are provided offer a great deal to us. Not only do they help streamline our operations, but they provide value in that there's a real cost savings for us. It really differentiates Lenovo from other manufacturers because you can't get these same products and services from some of the other manufacturers. And it's probably one of the primary reasons why we actually selected Lenovo and why we remain with Lenovo over the past 7 years.